You've taken the leap. You've joined the ClickBank Profit Club. You have the perfect funnel, the pre-written emails, and a proven commission structure ready to go. It's a complete, done-for-you system created by 9-time ClickBank Platinum vendor John Thornhill. But there's one critical question every new member asks. How do I get people to actually see it? Traffic. It's the single biggest factor that separates those who make money online from those who don't. Without visitors, even the perfect funnel won't generate a dime. We all know the standard advice, just drive traffic. But let's be honest, it's never that simple. Running Facebook ads? That can take months to learn and thousands of dollars to test. Starting a blog? You're looking at a 6 to 12-month waiting game. YouTube? You might be talking to yourself for weeks before the algorithm even notices you. None of these methods are fast, and none of them are easy for beginners. You need targeted buyers hitting your funnel today, not next year. That's exactly why the fast-track traffic system was created. It pulls back the curtain on the exact same methods used to build a list of over 120,000 subscribers and generate millions in sales on ClickBank. And the best part? It gives you 2 proven methods to drive traffic to your funnels every single day. One is paid and one is completely free. Let's talk about speed. The paid method is designed to get real targeted visitors hitting your funnel within 24 hours. You don't need a massive budget. You can start with as little as $50. You'll discover exactly where to find this traffic, how to avoid the common traps that waste money, and how to track every click. You even get a personal list of recommended traffic sources. But what if you want consistency without the ad spend? That's where the free method comes in. This costs absolutely zero. No ad spend, no existing audience required, and no tech skills needed. It's a step-by-step blueprint to generate a steady stream of leads in under 30 minutes a day. You'll learn how to turn complete strangers into eager leads on your list without ever being pushy or salesy. While the paid method gives you speed, the free method gives you reliable, long-term consistency. When you combine these traffic strategies with the ClickBank Profit Club ecosystem, you become unstoppable. Remember, the Profit Club gives you everything: the landing pages, the lead magnets, the email integration, and the VIP coaching. If you're a VIP founder, you even get 12 months of done-for-you member recruitment. But you have to fuel the machine. The more traffic you send, the more leads you collect, and the more commissions you can earn. Don't sit there with a beautiful funnel and 0 visitors. For a one-time payment of just $7, less than the cost of a couple of coffees, you get lifetime access to the fast-track traffic system. It's backed by a 30-day no-questions-asked money-back guarantee. Click the link below to add the fast-track traffic system to your membership right now and start driving buyer traffic to your funnel today.